Meron tong sa Japan. Japan ba ito? Na magazine. I think it's a free magazine. Pagkakataon na sana natin na para sumikat tayo sa Japan, yung tourism industry natin. Sa halip, nakalagay dito, ikaw ng ikaw.
Hindi nakaligtas sa pagpuna ni Senador Raffy Tulfo si Tourism Secretary Cristina Frasco kasabay ng pagdinig ng Senate Committee on Tourism sa mga isyu sa kagawaran. Ito ay matapos makatanggap umano ang senador ng mga reklamo sa mga netizens kaugnay ng ilang tourism ads na makikita sa iba't ibang lugar. Paliwanag ng senador, imbis na maipakita ang mga larawan ng magagandang tanawin upang maipromote ang turismo sa bansa, ay mukha ng kalihim ang nakalagay.
Yung mga groundbreaking pinapakita natin sa halip na dapat ipapakita natin yung underground river na 8 wonders of the world ngayon, Tabon Cave, etc. Ang pinakita doon, kayo po at saka yung mga groundbreaking ceremony which will not sell. If we want to sell something, pakita po natin yung mga tanawin o yung mga reasons why tourists will visit the country.
Pinuna rin ni Senador Raffy Tulfo ang ads sa isang paliparan sa bansa kung saan naroon rin ang larawan ng Tourism Secretary upang i-welcome anya ang mga turista.
No, nothing personal with you, Mama. Instead na, sabi ko kanina, personality, ba't di na lang tayo maglalagay ng mga lugar na pwedeng puntahan na para, like I said kanina, for the end time, maingganyo yung mga tao na, sige, pupunta ko, ang ganda niyan. Di ba parang sa ibang lugar, tulad sa Dubai, if I go to other countries, sa airport pa lang nila, makikita mo nun sa walls yung mga lugar na pwede pupuntahan na you're being invited to go to that place. In this case, yan po ba, may authorization po kayo na ilagay yung picture niyo dyan?
Dumipensa naman dito si Secretary Frasco. Anya, kinlaro na ito ng Department of Tourism o DOT na ang naturang magazine ay nailathala sa Japan at ipinamamahagi ng libre. Wala rin anya itong consent o permiso, pondo o impormasyon mula sa kanyang bahagi o ng DOT.
I did not pay for that magazine. No government funds were used for that magazine, and my consent was never obtained in the use of my image for that magazine. That being said, I wish to clarify that the Department of Tourism maintains 2 social media sites. One is the corporate site, which reports on the activities of the agency as well as the head of its agency.
Paliwanag naman ni Frasco sa tarpaulin niya sa isang paliparan na tinukoy niyang nasa Boracay Island, ito ay para lang i-welcome siya sa pagbisita niya roon.
But the reason why it's there is because they put it up as a welcome sign at the launch of that PPP project to improve the ticketing of Boracay. Nonetheless, when this matter was brought to light, we actually already ordered all of our regional offices, including Region 6, to take down any offending material, as the case may be, or any material that bears my image.
Sa gitna ng pagdinig, nagkaroon pa ng palitan ng mainit na pahayag sa pagitan ni Senador Raffy at Secretary Frasco kaugnay ng naturang issue.
I have tried to be as present as possible in our destinations and for our stakeholders. That is the extent of the duty that I have exercised and nothing more. I have no national ambition. I'm not running for any national position, and therefore any accusation of self-promotion would fall flat because I am not running for any national position in 2028, and therefore there would be no reason for me to promote myself.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm not saying that you're running. Don't put words into my mouth. I'm just saying that what I'm saying is, yun po nakakalata yung mga tao na parang pinopromote yung sarili mo for whatever reason. Now, also, ma'am, compared to other countries like Vietnam, Korea, Malaysia, Japan, hindi niyo po nakikita yung mukha ng mga secretaries ng Department of Tourism nila doon eh. Wala, never.
Perhaps if it is the pleasure of the senator that I no longer visit our destinations or that there be no coverage of the same, we can take that into serious consideration. But as far as my understanding,
of course, ma'am, you can visit. Why not? Yeah, I would even, people will appreciate you going there so that makita mo on the ground kung ano yung mga kulang, ano yung mga kailangang gawin, etc. But what we are saying here, ma'am, please, huwag mo i-promote yung sarili mo. Pag pupunta ka sa isang lugar, kung ano yung mga kulang doon, punahin mo and then punuan mo. Yun po yung point ng mga netizens na lumapit po sa akin. Okay? It has nothing to do about you.
Asher Kadapan Jr., UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.